This is the Tilta full cage and top handle for the A7R4. The real question is, do you need this? It is pretty, I won't lie. Very, very pretty. I like it a lot. But let's find out, do you actually need it? Hello everyone, my name is Jutanal Ahmed and today we're unboxing the Tilta protection full cage and a top handle for the A7R4 by Sony, obviously. Let's go. So, full disclosure, I did not purchase this as a brand new product. Normally, sadly, I'm the type of guy that does. I like to buy brand new products because I just have a problem with used. Basically, I do an analysis. I do like a risk assessment. I do a value assessment as well. Is there any point of buying something brand new? There's certain stuff which I don't like other people touching. I think I got OCD or something. I don't like other people touching it because I want to know that I looked after it from the beginning. For example, I had a motorbike. I bought that brand new. A car, I wouldn't buy it brand new unless it was electric. But like a motorbike, I bought it brand new. Why? Because I want to know how it's been treated over time. Whereas a car, I wouldn't because I don't care. I just use it for a few years and then whatever. But yeah, but when I say motorbike, sorry, I mean like a limited edition one. Which, yeah, if it was just a normal one, I wouldn't care either. Anyways, lol. This is a used. Sorry, I keep going off topic. Anyways, this is a used Tilta full cage for the Sony A7R4. And let's begin with the unboxing. And I just want to do a cut because I just felt that it's a full cage. It's made out of titanium. It should be able to handle my knife cutting it if it did cut it. But, ooh, that was poor. Let's take that all off. Now the question is, I don't know if you guys have watched my video of my unboxing of wow. Yeah, so I don't know if you guys have watched the unboxing of my other Tilta for my FX3. If you have, obviously you know that I hope you know that I purchased it brand new. That was a mistake. I should have got it used. But yeah, I've got it used. Why? Because this is something to protect the camera. I don't care if this gets damaged. It shouldn't get damaged, but I don't care. Whereas something that I'm going to be using for a long term, I need it brand new, which I know is going to stay in mint condition. This is my new technique of cutting stuff. I'm legitimately cutting now, rather than nicely. Oh, so delicately. This is just cardboard anyway. Hold on, what's going on here? This person has packed it in a... Well, I have to give them rating. They did pack it well. Lol, I don't know how I'm tearing bits. Okay, there we go. This has been packaged well, I guess. I don't even know how the hell they... This person that packaged it knows how to pack gifts. So, another package. Wow. I put the knife away, but it looks like I need to get it back out. It's bubble wrapped inside as well. Like something that's titanium is going to break. But yeah, well done to the guy. Or girl, or woman, or man, or whoever was sold this. I'm actually enjoying cutting this. I feel like have you guys seen when like people when there's people that have like meat or fish, they skin them. I feel like I'm having to do it so I say delicately, but It's like I'm skinning the whole box. Oh, interesting. So it's actually got the company name here that I purchased it. So they've actually got my whole address and everything on this, which obviously I wouldn't want to share online. I'm just gonna take that out. That's a bit crazy, the fact that they did that. But yeah, anyways, so many boxes. Okay, so this is the actual Tilta box. Arm your camera. Let's open this. Interesting. What is this? I think this is all the cameras that this actual Tilta can fit on. So the Sony Sony 6400, Sony A7s, Blackmagics, Panasonics, Canons, Fujifilm. Wow, this is a long list. Let's go into a quick scan just so you guys can have a look. This this is such a long list. Look. And the back. And the back. That's nuts. What's going on here? Sunny Jim. Tilta camera rig for Sony. What? Yeah. Okay. This is showing everything. So this is actually a good thing to see. This is actually showing how to build it, which I'm obviously going to guess. Now the question is, why did I get this? Obviously, if you've watched my other videos and stuff, I always say make sure you get a camera protector, because the camera is just so ridiculously expensive. You don't want it to damage and like make a loss on it. Okay, so this is the handle. Quick release top handle, Tilta grey. Hopefully you can read that. But yeah, this is the handle. Hopefully you guys can see that. And yeah, so apparently it's quick release. I think you release it through here. I think that releases it. And you would obviously put that into the top of the Tilta full cage. Allen key, as we all know what an Allen key is. What's this? There's a lot of accessories here, which is fully packed. Hold on, what? They've got a HDMI cable here. I don't know why that's come. HDMI to micro HDMI adapter. Interesting. That's very odd. HDMI clamp. Okay, yeah, this is something that's needed. The Tilta has this. I'm a bit shocked why we've got a. See, this is good. I like it. This is where you basically stick the HDMI through here. But yeah, I'm confused why they've actually given a HDMI. This is some screws. Why they've another Allen key. So yeah, I don't know why they've given another HDMI cable. Hold on, is that another HDMI? Quick release plate, Tilta grey. A release plate for what? Arca quick release plate screws. Hopefully you can read that. Okay, this is going to be very interesting when I build it. Okay, this is the... Oh! Sorry, that makes sense. So this actually comes with a quick release on the bottom as well. That's excellent. I didn't actually expect that. See, I don't even know what the hell I'm purchasing, right? This is actually for an HDMI as well. I have this on my FX, so you put that on and you can adjust the HDMI cable and how tight it is. Anyways, let's look at the main thing that we've come here to look at. Beautiful. I'm actually going to check now. This is the first time I'm actually looking at this, just so you're aware. Interesting. Can I take that off? No, I can't. I think you put the quick release plate on this. I'm amazed. Hold on. Where can this quick release... I think you need to use it on an actual like Manfrotto and stuff. It won't work on a normal one. But yeah, this is actually pretty good quality. So this cage itself, right, if you bought it brand new, would be like £100. Just this. Or like even 120. One of the main reasons I got this is because it has this arm handle there. and I need this arm handle because basically the camera, the A7R3, sorry, R4 that I'm going to be using this on is mainly going to be used for photography, like photographing my family and stuff. But it is my second camera that I use for my YouTube. This is beautiful. I actually really like this. I'm happy with this. So it's for Sony A7, it's a Sony A7 cage. It's a full cage straight. One thing I don't like about the Sony R7, sorry, A7R4 cage, this cage itself, is the fact that the camera goes here, whereas the FX you have to build around it, and I feel like this sticks out a lot. That's just my feeling. I don't know. That's what I don't like. Anyways, let me put that down. Hopefully you guys have seen the fact that it's got so many areas to put other additional stuff in. Now the question is, would you actually want to use this long term? I think it's something that everyone needs because you need to protect your camera. I think it's worth every single penny. This that I got here, I would always recommend getting these used. Why? You won't guess how much I paid. I would have thought realistically, if I bought a brand new 150, 200, that's how much would have went. I got it for $79.99. That's nuts. $79.99. This is interesting. Ooh, I think you can replace this plate. So this plate here, if you can see there, actually would be replaced by this. This one's much thinner. Hopefully you can see there. That's interesting. Okay. I'm not really going to do that now or anything, but so I'm not really going to use this plate. I'm going to be adding another plate onto this to add a quick release. I might even remove this plate, depending on how I feel. Actually, no, I'll keep it on because look, as you can see, it just stays like that, and that's what I do want. Great. Okay. Anyways, I'm just taking out all the items. I'm not going to take all the screws out. Oh, can you see? This one came with just screws because that plate must have been here. Interesting. So the top handle, do you know what? Let me actually build this. The top handle is meant to go onto this somehow. Through here, I believe. Let's go. Oh, I love it. So basically, if you see this here, let me just put it in a better angle for you all. You slide it in, done, and then you would push that down and then put it in, I believe. Let me just do that silently. Lol. Let's see what is showing here. Yep, can you see that there? That little part that's coming through. Interesting. Now my question is, right, what's quick release about this? Obviously, I'm not somebody to ask questions about all this stuff because I just buy these products and then I use it. And hold on, I want to check something because I'm going to be taking photos sometimes like this. Lol. But yeah, this doesn't hit my head. And to be fair, if it was to, yeah, I can keep it like that. That's perfect. I can just throw it around, whatever, break my camera, see if it does break with this on. But yeah, the Tilta, it's interesting. So I think what they mean by quick release is probably this section here. You can just take that off. Yeah, but that's not really quick release in my opinion. Maybe I'm wrong. If I am, please comment down below. I love this logo, lol. Okay, if I'm wrong and you guys obviously have this and you guys use this, do comment down below how you actually use this quick release handle. I'll probably YouTube it or something later, but it's nice to see, lol. Okay, this is something that you guys should see. This would go, I would assume, let's guys, let's not assume. Just know that this is for HDMI cable. I'm just so bad at this. Lol. Anyways, I'm still interested to see what these are. HDMI clamp attachment for A7 series. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, pop a thumbs up. Do like my video. Subscribe if you're new here. If you had a laugh, lol, watching this video, because I wouldn't laugh with me. I'd laugh at me because of this unboxing. Was a interesting unboxing, let's say that. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye. Oh, sorry, you just caught me. I'm actually reading this. Lol. The reason is I just found out those little let me show you. I'm losing everything. I'm losing my mind. These that I mentioned that are for HDMI, apparently they're not. Apparently they're the Manfrotto standard plate and the Arca standard plate. There's many plates that come with this. That's why. However, the HDMI mount that I said, that I was correct on that. So anyway, the best advice that I can give you all is pause when I was showing you the bloody rig manual. Anyways, see you soon. Wow, you're still here. You must have enjoyed this video. If you did, pop a thumbs up. Do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Comment down below if you have anything that you want to say to me, and I'll hopefully respond. Lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you all next time. Take care.